Order filled.
Not where I wanted to take it, but manipulated up. So we'll see. They could take this pretty hard. Could just be a debate. Bitcoin's coming up. Nvidia's starting to come up. Would have liked ES to tap the VWAP. Would have liked NQ to tap that pivot point. Alibaba coming up. Very good. We need Nvidia to keep propping. It's trying to come down. When you pounce it to get back up to 2.2% up. ES, RSI just got above that MA. Trying to get above the 2-hour SMA. It would make sense for them to go to this top 15-minute orb. This should be a home run. We'll see. We need Nvidia to keep propping up. Alibaba almost up 3% now. Palantir needs to continue to prop. They could be faking it up. Bitcoin coming up hard though. Not bad. I'm not liking how slow Nvidia is to the party. That's the only thing. I'm at least going to hold till they swipe that high. Because if they really do want to bring this down, they'll likely swipe that high. Even today is it's been a little unconventional. So they don't have to, they can just go. But I assume they'll want to take the shorts out. Falling below that trend line. ES about top the VWAP. Yeah, Nvidia. What are you doing? Looks like Nvidia is gunning for the gap. What are you doing, Nasdaq? What are you doing, sir? ES taking another leg lower, tapping that pivot point. It fell back into the range. This is the low of the range. Pivot point below that. About to tap the top 15-minute orb. Nvidia is very weak. Looking down. Okay, they either bounce here or they don't.
Order filled.
Adding 2. Nvidia is trying to come up. Still very weak. Tapping the 2-hour SMA.
Order filled.
Full risk. Full risk. So a little light from the ES. May get it, may not. Most likely not. But may get it. Tapping the VWAP. A little higher. Little bit. Little bit. Scalping 1,000. All right. Terrible day. Terrible day. 100% win rate, but terrible day. Out with 1,600. Terrible day. Ay. Terrible reads today. Absolutely terrible. Terrible. Ay. Terrible read today. Absolutely terrible. Alright, let's get rid of this. Clean up the chart a bit. Yeah, just not reading the market well. I wanted initially this in the beginning, this market to prop down to closer to this pivot point. It did bounce off the 38.2% fib. Not that unusual. Also, right off the trend line, I propped. Broke through the trend line. Also broke through this trend line. Little bear flag. Didn't take any of this. Just waited. Took the long a little early, and then put full risk on. Got a lucky bounce. That's all luck. Well, I'm used to trading like it, so it's a little skill to time it correctly, but it's basically luck. You're betting on patterns. You're betting on the ES mirroring the Nasdaq, and then also you just see like percentages slightly tip up, so it's likely going to have a little prop. That's all it is. I mean, it's skill, but ultimately luck. I will be back tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. So smash the like button, follow, subscribe. Persevere through resistance. Do not fear the unknown. Do not fear missing out. And there are no missed opportunities. Only the next one. See you guys tomorrow. Peace, 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 peace.